Hi. Trains like me make a lot of noise. The loud motor that helps me move the cars behind me, along with those cars and the clickety-clack of their wheels. But the noise you probably hear the most is my horn when it blasts out. You know, years ago, before trains had radios in them, whistles and horns were the only real way the engineer and other people on the train could talk with other trains. Now, even though all trains have radios, they still use the horn to communicate with anyone near them. Did you know there was a code to all those horn blasts? What can they mean? The engineer uses short blasts and long blasts of the horn in combinations to mean different things. For example, one long blast means stop, the brakes are on. Two longs mean release the brakes and go ahead. Three short blasts mean get ready, the train is backing up. Four shorts mean repeat your signal. I didn't understand. Here's one you probably hear all the time. Too long, a short, and a long means the train is approaching a signal crossing, like when the gates are down and you're sitting in the car waiting for the train to go by. Many short blasts means danger. There are people or animals on the tracks, and they must get off immediately. Trains also have a bell that rings when they're getting ready to move, approaching a crossing or a passenger station, when going through a tunnel, or passing another train on the track next to it. So, the next time you see a train and hear the horn, you can tell everyone that you know just what it's saying.
If you love trains, no matter what your age, we guarantee you'll love our Lots and Lots of Trains 2 DVD set plus free bonus CD of train songs. Visit our website or call toll-free 888-300-3455. This special offer not available in stores. Don't wait, click or call now for Lots and Lots of Trains.